You need to watch this if you're fascinated by what makes a luxury car tick. Today, we're exploring one of the most exclusive engines in the world, the Aston Martin 177. Ready to rev up your knowledge on one of the most exquisite engines ever created? The Aston Martin 177 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels, powered by a roaring 7.3-liter V12 engine. This powerhouse delivers a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower, making it one of the most potent, naturally aspirated engines on the market today. But it's not all about power. Precision engineering ensures every drive is as smooth as silk. From its carbon fiber chassis to the handcrafted details, every component is designed for peak performance and luxury. So, next time you hear that engine purr, remember, it's more than just speed. It's a symphony of engineering excellence.